How's everyone, guys? Welcome to my stream. Jura Sayora Amigo Mi View Brother. Ay wow. Sending love to Santa Jeras. Have a good day. Hey you there, you can have your coffee again. You can make your coffee again. Freezer time. Yeah, it's frozen, right? Hey you there, a very hardworking person I ever known. La 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 na 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 na. Time check. It is 3:25 a.m. Hey you there, what's this? This is second stream. I open my Hey you there private stream. No, this is a private stream. This is Honey Love. This is Honey Love and this one is Hey you there. Ay, this is oh, this is Honey Love. And this is Wonder Love, okay? I'm doing in my two stream. Just for watch hour this one. Just for watch hour the Honey Love because Honey Love is not yet monetized. Burp I like by I haven't I didn't eat so nothing to burp. Which one I should watch? It's okay. Should you choose one? Choose one. Honey Love is not monetized yet. Honey Love is not monetized yet, but this one is monetized. And I have a lot of friends here in my in my Wonder Love. While Honey Love no. Na 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 na. See da 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 da. Hi everyone, welcome to my stream, guys.